Time to put some marine mat on the old girl. See what she looks like when I'm done. Alright, she's all done. Looks much better in my opinion. I kind of wanted the marine decking anyway, just to quiet things down in the tank well. And when I slide one of my tackle trays under the seat, it does make noise at the moment, so that should fix it. Matter of fact, we can test that right now. All right. Much better in comparison to this noise. Because the top of the Hobie has like a rough edge instead of the smooth, like when you're in the interior of it. So sliding this back and forth does make a lot of noise. All right, wasn't that bad. I screwed up on a couple pieces. They're not perfect, but it's going to have fish guts and marsh mud in it anyway. So, all right, well, that is the marine mat. That's the full kit for the 2019 Hobie Outback. I think I'm done doing stuff with this for a while. So, if you guys liked the video, please leave a like. If you liked it, consider subscribing, and I will see you next time.